Hi, Boomiverse. My name is Hunter, a software engineer here at Boomi, and today I wanted to go over how to use the Boomi Hub DesignGen AI agent. So let's get started. Uh, to do this, we'll come here to our Boomi GPT prompt or the landing page of Boomi AI, and what we can do is type in create a model in DataHub, and we'll hit enter. Wait for the AI to respond back. And here it's going to ask you what sources you want to synchronize with. So let's, for this example, let's do Salesforce and NetSuite and Shopify as well. And all we'll do is select those options and hit that. And what it's going to do is it's going to come back and give you the domains based on insights for the most commonly used domains for these sort of systems. And you can we can go through and select which ones we want. I don't want all of them. We only want customer and employee and contact customer employee. And yeah, that looks good. We'll move on to the next step. And here we go. So here we're going to get prompted to review the data sync configurations, and it'll show you the systems and your domains, and we can verify that and create the models. And there we have it. All of these have been created. They will also generate a link so that you can go and explore these newly created models in DataHub. For example, let's click on this customer one. It'll bring me to my DataHub account, and here we can see our model. That's it for now. Thanks for joining, and please enjoy your day.